Hey Design 5, this is Miss Stapp with step 3 of our weekly assignment. So, step 3 says demonstrate excellent technical skills when making the solution. I've given you 2 hours in which to do this, and you think that's a lot of time for one step, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So in this step, you're going to be documenting complex technical skills and the product development. You're going to put that in your digital process journal. I have a little note here that says you will not complete the product development of your podcast during this 2 hours or this strand, but you are beginning to work towards a solution. So I have a bulleted list here to help you work through what I want you to do for this task. And it starts with choose 4 of the recommended technical skill podcasts I have included before. As you scroll down, you see here the technical skill podcasts. I have 6 of them that I've included. These are functional technical skills and form technical skills. So you would click on any one of these that you're interested in, for instance, formatting and how important it is to regular format. You would go to this website and there's a podcast here for you to listen to. I've included how much time it takes to listen to each one of these podcasts. These are done by a British man who is a professional radio host as well as podcaster, and they're pretty great. So listen, and it gives you a lot of tips and tools in order to refine your podcast skills here. So remember, you're not going to listen to all of these unless you want to listen to each one of them and find out which one is the most relevant to your podcast. That's fine with me. I've included next to each podcast a title of what you're going to learn about and how many minutes it will take. Again, you're choosing 4 of the 6. You don't have to listen to all of them. A few of them are over interviews, so I know that not all of you are intending to do interviews during your podcast, so you would do the others. So that is how you choose which ones you want to use. Then you will listen to the podcast, take notes over the podcast for you to use while you're working on these skills. Next, you're going to video or photograph. This is your evidence of the skill. Video or photograph and write about the technical skills you used as you begin creation of your podcast. Okay, so then you're going to put your notes and your video or photographic evidence of the podcast development into your digital podcast journal. So you take that skill, you use it towards development of your podcast that you're creating, you record somehow evidence of that skill, and then you put it in your journal. Next, you're going to repeat this step for these steps for 3 other podcasts. Remember, you're doing 4 in total. Good. Okay. So you're adding all of these skills to your podcast journal, and then you see at the bottom, you must document your technical skills and everything from step 1, 2, and 3 in a digital process journal. And you must upload your journal or your link to the journal by Sunday, April 19th at 11:55 p.m. So that is going to be how you demonstrate these 3 steps to me, is through your process journal. And I must have that journal. I know some of you, it's been too big to add to ManageBack. How do I link a video? So there's lots of ways to do this. One is to put it on YouTube, upload a document with a link to it. If you have a problem uploading, please email me and we'll figure out a way for you to share this with me. So that's what you're going to do for step 3. I can't wait to see your digital video process journals or your blog or whatever it is that you choose to share your new skills with me. And have a great week, guys. Bye.